Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to increase Snap score in Snapchat. If you also want to increase your Snap score on Snapchat, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, and let's get right into it. Now the only way that you can increase your Snap score on Snapchat is by sending as many snaps as you can. You'll need to send as many snaps in a day to all of your friends on Snapchat. If you have only a less amount of friends, you can add in new friends on your Snapchat. Just tap on the search bar on the top, and after you do that, directly you can see add friends. You can tap on view more and you can add all of these people, and if they also add you back, you can start sending them snaps as well. Other than this, you can also try out another method. Open up your web browsers and search for Snapchat for streaks. After you do that, it's going to give you a list of websites where you can find usernames of other people. So you can open up any website and it's going to show you usernames of people on Snapchat. You can easily type in their usernames and send them follow requests. Now these people have added in their usernames on these websites because they also want to increase their streaks and also their Snap scores on Snapchat. So you can easily send them friend requests and they will accept it. Once they do, you can also start sending them snaps. Now there are other methods of increasing snaps, but I suggest you to avoid those methods because Snapchat may ban your account due to they seeing you as a possible spam. So these are the few things that you can do to increase your Snap score on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.